CRCL stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1 minute video. As the only guy in the space with 43,000 videos over 5 years, and this is for 8th of July and onwards, I've seen what's printing money and what's not, right? I've seen what are the freaking intricacies and the variables, and because I've begun making videos on CRCL when this thing was like, since it was freaking 76 bucks 98 cents at the time, and this was like almost 2 months back, right? Yeah, actually a month ago. We have risen from those 76 bucks up towards 300, and then I've already gotten the first break, which is very solid. The only thing that I care about next is the second break, right? So if there is no second break, then I guess I'm not going to be buying, and that's totally fine. That's how CRCL is looking like, and I have like 19 results in the discs here. So that's that. There's nothing else that I would add here. I just wait for a second break. Now, if you want to learn to get to those 5-10k months on the Discord and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have tried it.